So here in northern Nha Trang, the most convenient place in the world that I've ever found. So there's 6 towers with over 4,000 units. They're so tall because they're 40 stories high that it's hard to see. But here, I'll show you the neighborhood and show you what it has in it. So starting with a coffee place, then we have a pho place, and a Russian place, a supermarket down there, which we've actually done a video on the second channel, so you can see that. Another supermarket, and one of my favorite things is there is a beach down there. But it's definitely by far one of the most convenient places. You can see here, it's a local mart. And this is where we live, just this big building here. So we come down, 24-hour grocery store with amazing prices. We'll cross and actually look at the pizza place. There's actually 2 pizza places here. There is one right here. Xin chào. Buy 2, get 1 free. They are the prices there. Actually, see, they're making the pizza right there. Menu? Thank you, sir. So that's the prices you can expect here. The pizza is very good here and the people are very friendly. Thank you, sir. And that goes into the grocery store that we always use. Xin chào. And here we have a sushi place, which we actually haven't tried yet. You can see the prices of the sushi. Come on, thank you. And they normally have sushi on display, but not as much today. They're busy making them. Then we have a fast food place which does banh mi's and chicken wings. It's actually very affordable, this place. You can see the prices up here. Prices are very good. Xin chào. Very good prices. Then we have another mart on the side. No shortage of marts and grocery stores around here. But over here, they're actually making another grocery store. So there's actually 3 of these now. So there's one that's getting built there. There's one over there, and there is one over here. But we will continue moving on. I believe there's a gym in OC3 as well. So I should go to the gym. That's definitely one thing I need to do. Oh. They have a Malaysian place just here, which is on the to-do list, a nails place, some Vietnamese places which we will get to. But quickly, I'd like to just show all of these little food stands, food trucks. And at the moment it's about 3 p.m, so it's pretty quiet. But at night time it definitely comes alive a bit. There is coffee place. And these are all the food trucks. A lot of them are closed. I can give you an idea of what they actually are. So you've got a pasta bar here. There's this Russian one. There's even a place that does Georgian food just over here. Beers, pretty much everything. I mean, if I was to go through this whole neighborhood, which is rather large, be here forever. There's just so much different international options. And there's even more of them down there, which we're not going to go see today. What I want to do is go to the more local area now. So there's a bunch more places that we could see in this section, but we're going to go to the local area and just to see what the prices are. You know, it's that time of the day when people are napping in their vehicles.
It's nap time.
It's nap time, that's exactly right. And this place in front of us, which is actually the vegetable market, is really cheap. How much was avocados for a kilo?
30.
I think it was 30 for a kilo, which is insane. So we don't actually get our groceries or our vegetables anymore from the grocery stores because we can just come here, which is a 20-second walk, and get them for cheaper.
And they're really good quality as well.
Yeah, definitely. And they have a com tum place, which we just went to a couple of days ago, and it was really nice. So that is the grocery store. Won't show the prices today, maybe on another video. But this is where we're going to go. Just got to not get hit by a bike because they love to fly out of here. Here we go. It's what I call the Mian area. Well, that's what we've called it now because it reminds us of Da Nang. If you're not aware, Da Nang has an area which is kind of similar feel to this. And this place is incredibly vibrant, to say the least, especially when it gets later on. But everyone's sleeping. So have a burger place. I don't normally have the price up on there, but it's actually a nice looking place. Have our cheapest burger, which is down the alleyway there, which we will see at another time. Oh, this place is closed today.
It's not today, it's just
Nap time, yeah. So I think this place is normally bustling with bikes just flying past you. Tons of people out, but not the time of the day. Fish and chips place, just here. Coffee for 10k, yep. Got a barber store. And on the other side of where we were, there's 3 ATMs or 4 ATMs. So got food. You can see the food here. So lots of things like com tum, chip chip. Have a look at the food. But see, there's just so many different places here. I mean, I don't think you can beat northern Nha Trang in terms of convenience. Do you think it's possible?
not easy, at least.
It's definitely not easy. I mean, there's just so many things in such a close area that once you've been here, it's like you just don't want to leave. We like going to the center pretty much just for drinking, really. For bars and nightlife, because the nightlife isn't amazing around northern Nha Trang. It's probably the biggest downside. But besides that, it's got everything you need. You don't really need to leave the area. So music, karaoke, of course. And there's this place on the left. It was a bun bao place. Bun bao.
Yeah, it's really good.
See if we can get the menu on the side here. So here we'll have a look at the prices. So we got matchas. Actually, I had a bit of this bun bao as well. It was really good. And they make it to order. The guy made it pretty much right then and there. This place just keeps going and going and going and going. More local stores. And then you can see it keeps going further and the other way, which is towards our favorite pub, which is Benchwarmers Pub, which I definitely recommend you go and see. But for now, for this neighborhood tour, that's all I'm doing. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.